Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 update error. So if your Windows 11 update is stuck, failing to install or showing an error message, just follow these simple fixes. First, restart your computer. For that you need to click on the start menu, select the power button and then click on the restart button. This can fix temporary system glitches that may stop Windows from installing properly. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is working properly and stable. After that, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. For that, you need to open Settings, go to System, then scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters, then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows will automatically scan and try to fix update-related problems here. So if the issue still continues, clear some storage space on your computer. Low storage can prevent Windows updates from downloading or installing properly. Lastly, check for updates again. Go to Settings, click on Windows Update and then select on Check for Updates. Try downloading and installing the update once more. So those were some easy ways to fix Windows 11 update error. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.